All right, man. Welcome to Crow 777 Radio. This is a bumper for episode 412. Jason Lingren is with me, and Mr. John White returns. He's joining us from China, and you may remember from past episodes, he is one of the founders of Spooky 2 Scalar Devices. He's up to 5 different brands now, and I guess what we'll call cymatics devices and for wellness that he makes use scalar biofeedback, PEMF, cold laser, VUV, and a good part of the work is based on Raymond Royal Rife's work. The first hour is free to everyone at crow777radio.com. Members know to log in. That's CRROW777radio.com. I'm currently checking out a couple of the micro devices that are portable. They're very well made, and I'll tell you what I think after I've used them for a while. But I hope to see you at crow777radio.com, and I'd like to wish each and every one of you a happy, healthy, and higher-minded new era. Cheers.